Hey guys, what is up? This is Lauren and we are at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay to check out their Mardi Gras event for food, fun, and music. Let's go inside and see what's going on. Not too much of a line to get in. It is kind of cold out today, about in the 60s. And here we go. And right over here you can see that you can get your Mardi on from Friday the January 13th to Sunday March 3rd. Over here by Iron Gwazi, we have a cool little photo op, Mardi Gras, with a fleur-de-lis over by the coaster. And they also have a little cool parade running, 12:30, 2:30, 4:30, and 6:30. Another cool photo op not far away. It says Life of the Mardi. This one's really cool. It's all like neon. Very neat. Finally got our first beads, and as you can see all around here they have different photo ops and they're actually giving the beads away, so that's pretty cool. Booth number 1 right in front of Iron Gwazi. So we have hurricanes. Of course you can get your hurricane, crawfish etouffee, blackened chicken slider, Louisiana hot shrimp, you got your mocktails, green giant, my boy blue, and Florida tea. And also, you got your samplers once again. So you got your 5-item sampler, 10-item sampler, and you got your past member 12-item sampler. So you got $45 and $60 for those. Not too bad. And over here they have some Mardi Gras merchandise. So they got the little hanging monkeys, flower crowns, more beads, flashing swords, got some star necklaces, and then some flashing bead necklaces. So just a little bit of Mardi Gras merch. And they also have these shirts, where have you beignets all my life? They got some more mugs with the same saying on it, bottle openers, little trucks, steel little figurines, and then more mugs. Booth 4 we have Tequila Tasting, so you can get a single neat or a tasting. $14.99 and $22.99 are the prices on that. Alright, and you'll get your choice of 4, or you of course can do the sampler. So you got mezcal, mango, coconut, and then jalapeno. And so booth 5 is going to be beignets, and yeah, just beignets here. And of course, if you don't want to have alcohol, they do have non-alcoholic beverages with the mocktails, as well as soda and water. And over by the Coke canopy is where they have the Sweet Beignet brass band. Plays 1:30, 3:30, 5:30, and 7:30 today. Got a lot of drinks here. They got the Voodoo Lounge, we got a Raspberry French 75, Hurricane, Bourbon Street Daisy, the Red Snapper, Rum Runner, Blackberry Mule, Abita Mardi Gras Bach, Keel Farms King Cake Cider. That sounds interesting. Neat little setup here. It looks like little Mardi Gras building, New Orleans buildings with beads on the tops. This year they're killing it with the photo ops. Another one right down the way from the Coke canopy area. And they also got this little like Mardi Gras garden. Leave a lot of sparkle wherever you go. Hit me with your best beads. I'm kind of a bead deal. Life is too short to not sparkle. It's been a while. There's too much glitter so no one ever. And then a bunch of different ones with little peacocks in the middle. Really kind of cool. So here's a map with all the locations. You can see there's about 11 booths And it's kind of the same setup as, you know, all their other food festivals and all that. But I noticed, I was thinking like from 1 to 5, I had noticed that I skipped like 2 and 3, and I was wondering, you know, what happened with that. Turns out some of the booths are actually, you know, merchandise, so be on the lookout for that. Don't think you skipped a food booth or something like that. Booth 7, Esplanade, Street Bites, and Dewey Sausage Po' Boy, Dirty Rice and Beans, and Cajun Barbecue Short Rib. Ping chicken time. Looks good. Another photo op over here with a Mardi Gras mask, and this is right over by Busch Gardens. Booth 8 is going to be your creamery, so you got crepe Suzette and chicory and chocolate crepes. And if anybody knows the ice cream around here, it's amazing. So yeah, this is definitely one I'm going to have to try. Booth 9, Jackson Square, so we got your shrimp creole, jambalaya, sausage gumbo. Booth 10, you have your Springs Tap Room, so it's going to be the Nola sandwich with house-made voodoo chips, Abita Vanilla Triple Dog, which is a dark ale, and Magnum, I'll just stop there, Carnival King Hazy IPA. And you can also see the lights are all purple and blue for Mardi Gras, all lit up. Alright, and that's going to hear from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for Mardi Gras 2024. I have to say my favorite here was probably the crepe Suzette, and then also the rice was really good. Other than that, the parade was really fun. How all the entertainers came out all at once there with the big confetti ending, and then also how they, you know, all stood in line there with all the beads. That was really kind of cool. All the kids were able to get some beads, and also the adults there too. So yeah, great event there, all in one there. So yeah guys, we'll be back for more events and also more updates. So if you like what we do, follow us on all our social, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!